Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
All right, this next stretch is called the hip flexor for the iliopsoas muscle. We're going to bring one foot forward, make sure that that ankle is in front of the knee, and you're going to lean forward so you feel a nice stretch in the back quadricep muscle and hip flexor, known as the psoas muscle. So tight psoas can be a source of low back pain. We sit so much through the day. This is a great stretch. Make sure to breathe through it. Great form, D. Good job. This next exercise is called the forward lunge. You're going to kick your foot forward and lunge forward as you bend the back knee down and leg to the ground. As you step forward, make sure that the knee does not pass the ankle, and you should feel a nice stretch in the quads and the hamstrings. Depending on where your tightness is, you might feel it on the front leg or the back leg. Sitting position and posture tends to create a lot of tension around these muscle groups. So this is the forward lunge. This exercise is called the backward lunge. We're going to step backwards with one leg and drop that knee just before it hits the ground, and then work our way back, feet together. Again, alternating from one side to the other, kicking the foot back, bringing that knee down to the ground, not letting it touch. And when you do this exercise, you're probably going to feel a really nice stretch around the quadricep muscle, possibly the hamstring, maybe in the hip flexor in the front. Great exercise for relieving low back tension and leg tightness. Good job, D. This next stretch is called the standing quad stretch. From standing position, you are going to kick one foot back and hold on to that heel or foot, and you should feel a nice stretch in the front of your quadricep muscle. It could be closer to the knee, and it could be closer to the middle of the belly. Take that knee and make sure to point downward. You can use your other hand for balance. This is the standing quad stretch. Good job, D. This movement series is called the windshield wipers. Feet are going to be wider than shoulder width apart, and hands are on the knees as you squat down, and you're going to rotate from one side to the next, like a hockey player skating from one side to the next. And as you move from one side to the next, you're going to feel a stretch in your hip joint and the muscles around that hip joint. This is a great warm-up exercise if you're a skier, if you play hockey, or any other sport. This is called the windshield wipers. Good job, team.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online, or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.